What's up, guys? Welcome to Aspect Trading. In today's video, what I'm going to be showing you is how to create a trading account to trade stocks in the stock market. If you've ever wanted to trade stocks, invest in the stock market, this is the video for you. I am basically, guys, on this channel, this is the first video of many. I'm going to be showing you guys how to start a trading account, which obviously is what this video is for, and just how to start from the ground on up. So without further ado, let's get into it. So all you have to do, guys, is go to Google Chrome. And by the way, guys, I am not sponsored by TD Ameritrade. It's just that I've been using these guys for quite some time. I've never had any problems with them. They have been great. They have 24/7 customer support. So actually, here's their number right here. If you ever have a question about the platform, about a trade, about anything, they have experts on the other side that are willing to talk to you 24/7. And there is the number right there once again. So yeah, guys, I can't complain about TD Ameritrade. They are an amazing broker. And yeah, so that's why we're going to be using them. So all you have to do is type in TD Ameritrade on Google, click on this one, go to their actual website. This right here is for if you actually have an account. You will enter your user ID with your password. But if you don't have an account, which is what this video is for, you click on Open New Account. And guys, I'm just trying to go as quickly as possible because I know, the actual trading stuff is fun, but creating an account can be boring. So, and guys, you guys know a lot about this. It's really simple information, but yeah. So when you get to this screen, what I would do is click on individual brokerage. Joint tenants, traditional IRAs, Roth IRAs, they're all good. But if you want to trade stocks and, options and what we're going to be doing on this channel, then you don't need to worry about any of those. So make sure you're on individual brokerage and click open an individual account. And guys, by the way, make sure, triple check your answers. Make sure you are entering in the right information because, you don't want to, try to create an account with the wrong name or the wrong social security number, obviously, because you want your money, you want your profits. So make sure you guys are filling out the right information. And yeah, guys, so, do you have a TD Ameritrade paper trading account? If you guys are watching this video, more than likely you're not going to have the account yet, so you're not going to have one. So click no, enter your first and last name. Now, guys, I am just going to be filling in, obviously, a fake name just so I can go ahead and show you guys the other stages. But you enter the first name, last name, your email. Just going to make up one real quick. And you can click this box right here. I've read the TD Ameritrade policy statement. And then you continue to personal information. And you put your state, and guys, well, I shouldn't have to say that. You guys know this. It's just really basic information. I'm just going to fill in random stuff. That way, you guys will get to see the other stages. Obviously, COP 46 is not an address, but yeah. And guys, you just fill in this information. Make sure it's right. All right, you can enter all that in. Yep. How you use this account, guys, right here. What I would do is click on trade frequently because you're going to be trading, stocks, options, all that good stuff frequently. So that's when I would click. Just put in a fake social security number just so I could go ahead with the stuff. Oh, wow. Never mind. I got to fill in all this. 75. Oh, gosh. That is not even a real date. Let me just enter a number in real quick. See if that goes through. Yeah. All right. And then you continue to financial information. We've compared the address you entered. Yeah, that's obviously not a right address, but we're just going to click continue just for the sakes of the video. Employment status, self-employed, whatever you guys are. All right, just fill in all this, guys. Make sure, guys, by the way, obviously you can see they have a lot of stuff. If you do have a job put your job, put what you do. They just want to have a little bit of information about you. But if you don't, like, if you're not self-employed, if you don't have a business, you don't have to worry about any of that. But, all right. Let's just go with store. Oops, that was not store. City, once again, type in a city. Type in all your stuff. Bam. All right. All right, keep going through here. And by the way, guys, like I said, this is pretty boring. That's why I'm just, entering random information in. But are you or is your spouse any member? Make sure you guys are reading those questions very carefully when you answer them. Right down here, guys, what I would do is click on my brokerage account. Just a suggestion, I would do that. And then continue review information. And, this is a great screen to triple check your work. Make sure you entered in everything correctly and then click continue. Now, I don't think it's going to let me continue just because obviously this information is fake. But after you would click continue, it would bring you to agreements. You click a lot of check boxes, stuff like that. And once you get to the very last stage, user ID and security, they might ask for your driver's license if or not you have one. They obviously you put in your social security at the very beginning, which is good. But yeah, guys, just make sure you fill in all that information. And once you fill in that information, you will have an account. So I'm going to actually go to my account because once you guys have done all that, you will have an account. You will be brought back to a screen just like this, the login screen, and you just enter in your user ID and you enter in your password and log in right here. And it will bring you to a page like this. Now, obviously, I have not traded at all this week on this account. This is actually the account right here that I mainly trade on. This was kind of a old cash account, but yeah. Anyway, guys, because I was, working on some other stuff this week and just didn't get to trade. I did actually make some Forex trades, but not any in the stock market. But anyway, so once you've gotten that, you will be right here on this screen, and you will click on Client Services and then go to General. Now, guys, just make sure maybe that your screen matches mine. I don't think this will be signed, so you're going to have to make sure that, I think there's like an option right here that you'll click sign. You'll just have to sign these. Make sure this is on non-professional. I'm not going to go into detail why, but just make sure it's on there. And, if you ever want to trade options, which, we'll get to options later on in the series, but this is just a video just to show you guys how to set up the account. All you have to do is click apply right here, and you can set it up like that. And yeah, guys, make sure, also make sure once you have all this done, what I just said, go to subscriptions right here. And guys, obviously these are $9.99 a month, $19.99 a month. Don't worry about the ones that you have to pay for. I would not pay for them. These actually right here, streaming news and real-time NASDAQ level 2 quotes, super, super important. Make sure this is actually going to say subscribe right here. Make sure you click subscribe here and here. That way you get both of those freebies. Like I said, obviously right here, they're free. You might as well subscribe to them. They help out when you trade stocks. So we did the subscriptions. We already did the general. We did all this right here. Once you have signed up for an account, you've made those changes in your client services, which is what we're on right here. Then to download the trading platform that I use called Thinkorswim by TD Ameritrade, you click on Trade right here, and then you go to Thinkorswim. And it will bring you to a page like this. And you just click download Thinkorswim. It will bring you to their trading platform. I actually already have it up on mine right here. Guys, don't let that scare you. That's actually a lot of lines, but we'll get to that later on in the videos. Yeah, and once you guys download it, you guys it'll go to your desktop or wherever you save it to. And I think before you actually once you download the program on your computer and it's on your desktop, when you double click on it, which is the icon that it'll have right here, you just enter in your user ID and your password, and it will bring you into the program. Now, obviously, the program that I have right now, your Thinkorswim is not going to look like this, but I will actually make a video showing you guys, how I set up mine, what I recommend, and you guys can kind of doodle with it and stuff like that. But yeah, this is what it looks like. Like I said, don't let this intimidate you. This is just, we'll get to this, later on in the future. But in this video, all we did was create an account, fix those settings, and download Thinkorswim, which is the platform that I use to trade by TD Ameritrade. And yeah, guys, and this is actually Oanda, I think is how they say it, or Oanda. I've actually talked to some people at the company. This is what I use to trade Forex, which is currency, like the US dollar, the Canadian dollar, the euro, British pound, Australian dollar, all that stuff. But we're not going to worry about that. We're just going to worry about trading stocks. So, and guys, I'm sorry, if I'm talking fast. Like I said, I just want to get this video as quickly as possible because it's really boring. This video is just the boring stuff, setting up an account, making sure that you have everything set up right, which is so crucial to your success as a trader and as an investor. But yeah, guys, that is the basically the end of this video. Like I said, this is the very first video on this channel. There will be many more to come explaining, how to trade stocks from the ground up. This was to create an account, make sure all the settings are good, and download Thinkorswim. We should have already all accomplished that in this video, and that is a great first step in doing this. And by the way, guys, like I said, I created these videos just because there's not really any good videos that show you how to start as a trader from the ground up. I've had so many people come to me and, ask, they see my trading profits on Instagram and they go, how do you trade? Where do you start? Well, this is a great video to start with. So yeah, guys, so you have an account, you have Thinkorswim downloaded. Congratulations. Next video, not really sure exactly what I'm going to be showing, but it'll be something in Thinkorswim since you guys have gotten that far. And yeah, make sure you guys follow my Instagram. Very active on that, as well as Twitter. They will be down in the description down below. I actually have a trading group that you can DM on Instagram. And yeah, guys, make sure to like this video, share this video with people who want to, maybe have an extra stream of income or want to just, make more money in general for themselves. Yeah, but make sure to like it, share it, comment down below if you have a question. I will help you guys or have one of my team guys help you. And yeah, thank you guys for watching, and you guys have an amazing day. Peace out, guys.